Hi there, I'm Eric Thompson. I'm Channel Manager at NUC, and I'm here at TD SYNNEX InVision Symposium. One of the products I'm highlighting is the AirServer Connect 2, which is a fantastic solution for wireless screen share. Think about conference rooms, collaboration zones, classrooms, where you need to share content from any client device up onto the big screen in the environment. Because we utilize native protocols, any client device, whether it's a Windows PC, a Mac, a Chromebook, an iPhone, an Android phone, it all just seamlessly and easily connects right up to the big screen. You can share content. The other fantastic feature of AirServer Connect 2 is the manageability. IT loves AirServer because of the ability to manage it remotely and through the cloud. So when you have multiple devices deployed in an environment, it's fantastic for IT. And lastly, it's security. You really have to have an ability to control the content that's up on the screen, and AirServer Connect 2 gives a number of different ways to secure that device and the content that's actually being shared through moderator mode, codes, and so on. So I'd encourage you to take a close look at AirServer Connect 2 when you need to have a solution for wireless screen share. You can contact us at simplynook.com, and we're all available through TD SYNNEX. Thanks.